let's move on to the second part of the tutorial. We'll be focusing on the combo box and learn how to deal with the click event, as well as how to modify our template. Let's go. Go for Custom Tkinter because it has better graphics than Tkinter. It's perfectly fine if you use only Tkinter. It's just a matter of choice. Recall that all elements masked are equal to root, which is the window frame. In this case, all the elements are tied to root. Let's change the element 1 to select text. Element 1 is a label. Its location is defined in the layout section. Ctrl S, save it, and then Ctrl F5 to run it. You should see element 1 become select text. Let's change element 2 to a combo box. You can Google Custom Tkinter combo box. Simply go to their GitHub and copy the code of the combo box. Comment out the original element 2. Replace element 2 with the combo box snippet. Name it select lang. For this custom Tkinter, since we've already defined it as CK, we only need to type CK here. Here we need to change the master to root. There is a command combo box callback. We need a corresponding function for that. Here I just pass it, as I'll add further action later. I didn't notice I had a typo on the function, and I keep using element 2 for the layout. So when I run it, I got an error. I figured that the problem came from the typo. It should be combo box callback. However, it still didn't work because I have to change the layout as well. Change the element 2 to select lang. Save it, and you'll see why it takes so long. Here, element 1 shows select text. Element 2 is now renamed as select lang. Select lang is located on the first row, row 0, and column 1. Now when I click it, I still get an error shown in the terminal because I haven't done the combo box click event. Before that, let me change the option text. Option 1 is English, and option 2 is traditional Chinese. Ctrl S, save it, Ctrl 5 to run it. Now you see English and traditional Chinese. Go to the documentation, copy and paste this under the combo box callback function. Parse the variable choice inside the function, so whatever language you pick will show up here. Ctrl S, save it, Ctrl F5 to run it again. Now when you click English, you'll see this sentence appears in the terminal. The same applies to traditional Chinese. All these are done inside this function. That means you can change what you want. Just take a break and move on.